The oversteer warning system also illuminates a red light on the tractor's cab roof as a warning to the flight crew. The tractor and oversteer warning system then have to be reset by an authorized person before the operation can recommence. Also, the aircraft steering system and nose gear need to be checked by an aircraft engineer. These and many other safety features make the Douglas Kilmar Tugmaster range of tow-barless tractors the most efficient, safe and reliable high-performance aviation ground support equipment operating at airports around the world. The tow-barless Tugmasters have been especially adapted for the nighttime movement of aircraft around the airport. Once the passengers have disembarked and the cargo has been unloaded, the aircraft will need to be moved from the terminal gate to make way for the arrival of the next aeroplane. The conventional method of the night movement of aircraft with a tow-bar tractor requires a two-man crew, plus a third person on board the aircraft to monitor the power and operate the brakes should the tow bar become disconnected or a shear pin fail. Once the tow bar has been connected to the nose wheel, a ground power unit on board the tow bar tractor is plugged into the aircraft to power up its electrical system to enable the aircraft's navigation lights and anti-collision beacons to be switched on and the aircraft's braking system to be charged up and other related systems activated. This is monitored by the crew member in the cockpit as the tractor and crew push back and tow the aeroplane. In common with most tow-barless tractors in other countries, the Douglas Tugmasters have been fitted with a strobe lighting configuration mounted on the operator's cab. The system has been designed and developed by Darmstadt University, Heller and Lufthansa at Munich and Frankfurt airports. The strobes have been designed to give the correct green and red sense, and they illuminate the leading edges of the wings, engine nacelles and undercarriage. In addition, the red rotating beacons on the tractor's cab make sure the towed combination is easily identified by the unique light pattern. This system dispenses with the requirement to fit a ground power unit to the tug, thereby reducing tow times, exhaust emissions and noise pollution. Before the system was introduced into the United Kingdom, all the interested parties in the UK met with and were briefed by their German counterparts. The Civil Aviation Authority nominated Tony Smith, an aircraft lighting expert from the Defence Research Agency, to review the strobe light system. He reported that the strobe lighting system was generally better than the standard aircraft lighting when under tow, and from no angle was it worse. Several health and safety trials have been carried out both here and in Germany with the strobe lights, and all confirmed that there are no health and safety problems of any sort. The system has been operating in Germany for the last 2 years, without incidents or complaints from the pilots, air traffic control, or the workforce. Many other countries around the world are now introducing the system, where tow-barless tractors are used. Additional lighting could be added to the tractor if regulations at airports around the world require it. By the year 2001, London Heathrow Air Traffic Control expect to have the technology to enable TBLs equipped with S-mode transponders to indicate which aircraft they are towing, their destination, and their present position on the airfield to within a meter. Over 400 tow-barless tractors, many fitted with strobe lighting, are operating at airports around the world. They offer the ultra-competitive and cost-conscious world of the airport and aircraft operations significant opportunities to reduce operating budgets and provide a safe and efficient service.